Hey, what's going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and today we're talking about the release date of the new iOS 18.3. So as you probably know, iOS 18.3 is currently on its RC version, well a week actually earlier than we expected, because the last beta, which was beta 3, was actually released with the build number ending with a B, so we all believe that there will be another beta before the RC, but it turns out Apple will release the iOS 18.3 to the public a week earlier. So currently, as I said, we are on the RC version and we're expecting iOS 18.3 to be released very soon. But when can you expect iOS 18.3 to be released to the public? Well, taking a look at the past few years and of course the past few updates, most of them will be at the beginning of the week. Like the last update was actually released on a Wednesday, but that's very unusual. Usually Apple will release a big update at the beginning of the week, so it will be either a Monday or a Tuesday. Most likely it will be a Monday. So we're currently on the 23rd of January, so you can expect iOS 18.3 to be released to the public this Monday. That will be January 27th. Of course, at around 10 a.m. Pacific time as usual, you can expect to get this update on your device. So what's next? Well, after the release of iOS 18.3 to the public, which again will happen most likely on the 27th, maybe 28th, but most likely 27th of January, then we can expect the first beta of iOS 18.4. This will be a big update with a ton of new features and changes, so expect Apple to release a beta very soon. That might happen as soon as Tuesday, so 27th, the release of iOS 18.3 to the public. 28th should be the day that Apple actually releases the first beta of iOS 18.4, and probably somewhere around the end of March we should get iOS 18.4 released to the public. So that's basically it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and found it helpful. If you did, make sure to smash the like button, and of course if you want to see more iOS 18.3 videos, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I will see you on the next one.